Now let us discuss about seventh question. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Okay. Here we need to find out corresponding segment of this circle. Segment they have given here. Segment which is nothing but we have to consider that is minor segment. Okay. In earlier class already we have discussed about this in definition and meaning on area related to circles. Okay. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter. I will draw here. Okay. Circle of radius how much centimeter? 12 centimeter. Okay. Subtends an angle of 120 degree. Chord. I will draw a chord. Subtends an angle of 120 degree. What is the angle? 120 degree. Next, find the 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of this circle. Okay. Radius is equal to how much centimeter? 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter as radius. Okay. Solution. Given radius. This is minor segment. Okay. Minor segment. Okay. This one we need to find. Solution. I will mention the name A, B, O is the center of this circle and this is C. Point on R. Solution. Given radius is equal to 12 centimeter and angle theta is equal to how much centimeter? 120 degree. Okay. And in a triangle OAB, OA is equal to OB, right? So we have to construct here, draw a perpendicular line O to D, okay, on a chord AB. Therefore, OD is perpendicular AB. Okay, let us see now. Draw a line perpendicular. Okay, draw a line perpendicular on chord. I will mention here this is D. Okay, OD perpendicular AB. Let us see now construction. In triangle OAB, in triangle OAB, and construction what we done here? Draw a perpendicular, draw a perpendicular OD on chord AB, on chord AB, okay, on chord AB of a circle, on chord AB of a circle, okay, that is OD perpendicular AB, OD perpendicular AB. Let us see now. And also here OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB is equal to how much centimeter? 12 centimeter. Okay. Same radius. Same radius or same radii. Okay. Or radii of a circle. You can write like this also. Okay. Now, area of triangle OAB is equal to area of a triangle OAB is equal to half into base into height. Okay. We have constructed here, right? Half into base into height. See here, area of triangle OAB half into base into height, that is half into base is AB into height is OD, right? So we need to find out OD value and AB value. Okay, by taking as one side right angle triangle, we can find out the sides. Okay, height also we can find, and even dB also we can find, base. Okay, let us see now. We have to apply in this trigonometrical ratios. Okay, there is no, I think I have only one, that is sin theta. Trigonometrical ratios I will apply sin theta and cos theta. Okay, therefore here sin theta, and first I will apply cos theta. Here 60 degrees, see 120 degree bisects, right? What is perpendicular AB? Therefore this side is, this angle is 60 degree, and O angle DOB, that is, this is also 60 degree. 60 plus 60, that is AOB 120 degree. Let us see now. Cos 60 degree is equal to, value is 1 by 2. Value is how much? 1 by 2. See, these trigonometrical ratios I will write a direct formulas. You can know in the next class. Okay, trigonometrical ratios, when we are going to learn about, you can know very easily. Cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2, and also I will make a separate figure of this triangle ODB. Triangle ODB. ODB. Okay, and this is now theta is equal to, now this is 60 degree. Okay, now cos 60 degree is equal to, we have formula, that is for this opposite, this is opposite, cos theta is equal to this opposite, and this is adjacent, ADJ I will write, and this is called hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse, that is 12 centimeter as given here already, is it? 12 centimeter. This is height and this is base. Okay, now we need to find these both, height and base. Okay, let us see now. Cos 60 degree is equal to half is the value. So cos 60 degree is equal to, what is the formula? That is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So I will write here adjacent divided by hypotenuse is equal to, this is half, right as it is. Adjacent is equal to, not than anything, I will write H. Okay, height, that is OD. OD divided by hypotenuse is 12 centimeter is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, by cross multiply, OD into 2 is equal to 12 ones are 12. Therefore, OD is equal to 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6 centimeter, right? OD is equal to how much centimeter? 6 centimeter. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now I will apply sin 60 degree. Now sin 60 degree is equal to, for this also having the formula, that is root 3 by 2. Okay, sin 60 degree is equal to having the formula, that is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite divided by hypotenuse, which is equal to, right as it is, root 3 by 2. Let us see now. Opposite is equal to, not than any value, write dB, because we need to find dB. dB is equal to, dB divided by hypotenuse is 12 centimeter, which is equal to root 3 divided by 2. By cross multiply, dB is equal to root 3 into 12. This 2 write as it is here only. Okay, don't take this side, not necessary. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Therefore, here dB is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. 6 root 3 centimeter. Okay. Now, here AD is equal to BD because OD is perpendicular AB. OD bisects. Okay, OD bisecting. Here we get how many angles? 2 angles. Okay. Here AD is equal to DB is equal to how much centimeter now? 6 root 3. That is 6 root 3 centimeter. 6 root 3 centimeter. Therefore, here AB is equal to 2 times of AD because AD is equal to BD. Both are equal. Okay. Now, AB is equal to 2 times of AD. 2 times of AD. Therefore, AB is equal to 2 into AD is equal to how much here? 6 root 3. Therefore, we will get AB is equal to how much centimeter? 12 root 3. 2 6 are 12. 12 root 3. Okay. Now let us see. I will continue this problem now. Area of triangle. Now we got height. Is it? That is which is height? OD is height. I will write here. This is height. Okay. Area of triangle now. Area of triangle. Area of triangle OAB is equal to half into, put those values, okay, put those values in this, half into AB is equal to how much centimeter? 12 root 3. 12 root 3 into OD is equal to how much centimeter has come? 6 centimeter. How much centimeter? 6 centimeter. 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12, 6 6 are 36, right? Which is equal to 36 root 3 is equal to 36 root 3 is equal to 36 root 3. 36 into root 3 value is 1.73. Root 3 value is 1.73, which is equal to, we get 62.28 square centimeter. 62.28 square centimeter. Okay, this is the right answer for area of triangle OAB. Now, area of, we need to find out now area of a sector. Okay, area of a sector OACB, and after that area, and we need to find out area of minor segment. So area of minor segment, which is equal to area of a sector OACB minus area of triangle OAB. Okay, now let's see now. Area of a sector OACB, area of a sector OACB is equal to, what is the formula? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. 360 degree into pi r square is equal to, we have to put those values. Theta is equal to 120 degree. 120 degree. Okay. OACB for this sector angle is 120 degree. Okay. Divided by 360 degree into pi value is 3.14. They have given 3.14 into radius is 12 centimeter. 12 into 12. Okay, 0 0 will get cancelled, and 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, which is equal to how much? 3.14. That is 12 fours are 48. 48 into 3.14, which is equal to, how much will you get? Now let's see. 48 into 3.14, that is 150.72. 150.72 72 square centimeter. Okay, I am doing in the calculator this calculation, so we have to multiply. Okay, you know multiplication. Now area of a segment, area of a, therefore area of a segment, area of a segment, that is area of a segment ACB, right? Area of a segment ACB is equal to area of a sector OACB. This is area of a sector, area of a sector OACB minus area of triangle OAB. OAB. Put those values, okay, and subtract. That's it. Which is equal to, what is the value? 150. That is how much? Area of a sector OACB. Area of a sector OACB, which is equal to, that is 150.72. But area of a triangle we done here. Area of a triangle. Okay, area of a triangle is equal to, here is it. Okay, fine. 150.72 square centimeter minus area of triangle OAB, that is 62.28 square centimeter. Okay, which is equal to, after subtracting we will get here, see 12 minus 8 is 4 we will get. Okay, and remaining is 6 minus 2, which is equal to, this is also 4, right here, put here decimal point, and also 0 and 0 minus 2, that is 10 minus 2, which is equal to 8, and remaining here 14 minus 6, which is equal to 8. Therefore we will get here 88.4 square centimeter. This is the right answer. Understand?